So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Moen PosiTemp tub shower combination valve. Existing piping is 3/4 PEX, so that's open or tubing, formerly known as Wurzbo. And so hot and cold come down. And so what we did is the old valve was in there. It's pretty outdated. They don't manufacture it anymore. It was a Kohler right temp. And the cartridges are about double what these are right here. Very expensive to work on. Some of the components failed down here, I believe, out of the spout assembly and flooded. And I guess so now they're in the middle of a big remodel in here and then in a couple of bedrooms. So anyways, while they've got it open, let me just give you a fresh valve here. So very minimal cost on that. It's just like a $75 valve. And so it's all tied back in. I'm going to get a couple more straps here and get that cold line strapped down, and then the hot line, maybe one more up there just so it doesn't bounce around too much. Solid brass construction. You can see the valve, solid brass, and a couple of brass nipples, brass connectors over to the Ubenor tubing, and so that's all tied in. So no iron pipe. These come out at finished. This will get pulled out, and you'll put a brass nipple in there for your spout, or you can use copper to copper adapter, make your own to length, whatever you want, or just copper and then stub out straight if the spout is a slip connection for 5/8 OD piping, and that'll happen at finish. But that doesn't stay. Don't leave that in there because it will rust from the inside out. Same thing with the shower head. That comes out, that little stub out nipple right there, that comes out and a shower arm goes in, and then your shower head's in. So no iron pipe should be left in, but it's all brass. So anyways, we've tested this out. We've run water out the spout and got all the air out, and then of course capped it off and then turned it on. So right now the shower riser and the shower drop is under pressure, and the reason we leave it under pressure is if something happens during construction and someone hits a line, you'll know. Otherwise, you get something in there and it hits and there's no pressure on the line, and you won't know until you start using it. So anyways, everything looks good here. Outside of that, this installation is done.